Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 7.3. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 7.3. Here we discuss about the cryptology. Cryptology is defined as the science which is concerned with communication in secured form. In cryptology, the original message is called plain text. The encrypted output, that is converted message into code, that is called ciphertext or cipher number. The process of converting the plain text to the ciphertext is called encryption, and the vice versa, that means vice versa means ciphertext to plain text, that is called decryption. Caesar cipher, they used the codes here. Caesar cipher, key 3, key 4, key 5, like that they used. That means ABCD, that is plain text. No, they use the key 3 means A is started from D onwards, that is ABCD, like that. A belongs to X and B belongs to Y, C belongs to Z. Listen the word AH. H means E, A means X, D means A. So we get the word in the code, that is examination. Next one, additive cipher, key 5. Listen, here they use the letter for numbers. They use the numbers for the alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F till Z. Key 5 means the number started from 5 onwards. How many letters are there? 26. They use the numbers from 00. So 25 is the last number. Like that. Listen the word 17 denotes M and 05 denotes A, and 24 denotes the letter T. Like that we get the word mathematics. Next one, code 1, pick pen. This pattern is pick pen. Listen, they given the shape for the letters. A, see that this shape is A, and this is B. This shape is C, and like that D, E, F, G, H, I, and then this shape with dot, that is J. B shape, that is with dot means that is K, and then triangular shape with the dot, without dot. Listen, now find out this word. First letter, this triangle shape with dot means that is W. Next one, left hand side open, that is A. Next one, left hand side open triangle, that is without dot, that is T. Next one, box without dot, that is E. Next one, this shape, that is R. Next, B. Next one, O. Next one, T. Again T. Next, L. Next one, E. Water bottle, we get this word water bottle. Next, coat, Polybius square cipher. Listen, they given the rows and columns. For this one, we give the numbers. 4 comma 2. Where is that? That is 4 is x, horizontal line, 2 is y, vertical line. So 4 comma 2, that is t. Next one, 2 comma 2, that is r. 5 comma 5, that is e. 1 comma 5, a. 3 comma 2, s. 5 comma 2, u. 2 comma 2, r. 5 comma 5, e. This word is treasure. Code 3, Atbash cipher. This cipher code is used like this reverse letter. That alphabets denotes the reverse. Listen, A, B, C, D is like that. They given in reverse. Listen, N denotes M, and L denotes O, G denotes T, S denotes, where is it? S denotes H, V denotes E, V denotes E, and I denotes R. So we get the word mother. Next code, using a key reflection table. Listen, 26 letters, half of the letters like this and this one. What they are given? G. G denotes T. E denotes R. R denotes E. And then N. N is here. So N denotes A. F denotes S. And H denotes U. E denotes R. R denotes E. That is reflection table. We get the word treasure. Now let me see the exercise sums. Listen the first sum. Fill in the blanks. Use Atbash cipher that is given in code 3. This one is the code 3. We already seen that. Listen, G, Z, N, R, O. G denotes T. Z denotes A. N denotes M. R denotes I. O denotes L. So we get the word Tamil. Next word, V. V is E. M, that is N. Next T, G. O, L. R, I. H, S. S, H. There is S, that is H. So English. Like that, third word is N. N denotes M. Z denotes A. G denotes T. S means H. V means E. Z means A. Again M and A. G, T. R, I. X, C. H, S. So mathematics. And then H, S. X, C. R, I. V, E. MN, X again C, V E. So science. Like that, which one is this? Same words, so that is science. Like that, it is social science. That is the answer. Second one, match the following. Listen, they given the, which one is this? Additive cipher. A equal to 0 0, start with 0 0 and end with 25. So M denotes, we don't know, and A we know that is 0 0. So which one is the second letter? A, 0 0. That is the answer, first one. Next one, A, start with 0 0, that is the answer. So D is the second one. Next, subtraction. In this word we know that B is, what is B? A is 0 0, that means B is 0 1. Which option? Third is 0 1 here, that is the third one. Next, multiplication. Here A, that is from the last fifth, that is 0 0, this only, so that is fourth option. Next, division. What is D? 0 1 means 0 4 is the, 0 3 is the option. So first one, fifth, this one is the fifth, B option, that is the answer. Third sum, frame additive cipher text table, key 4. So A starts from 0 4, 0 4, 0 5, 0 6, 0 7, 0 8, 0 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Again starts from 0, 0 0, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, here 0 4. So that is the answer. Next one, a message like good morning written in reverse would instead be, listen, DOOG, GNINROM. In the same way, decode the sentence given below. They given the sentence, we write down like that, OT, that is TO. Next, DNAT SREDNU, that is UNDERSTAND, and then THAT, that, and then MATHEMATICS, mathematics. CAN, can. BE, can be. EXPERIENCED, experienced. EVERY, WHERE, here Y is missing in your book, so everywhere, everywhere. IN, in, Nature, nature. And real, real. life, life. So we get the answer. To understand that mathematics can be experienced everywhere in nature and real life. That is the answer. Fifth sum, decode the given PicPen ciphertext and compare your answer to get the activity 3 result. Listen. The room number in which the treasure took place. Here they ask room number, so we have to see the numbers. See the shape. In this shape, what number is there? 2. So answer 2. Next shape here, that is 8. So 28 is the answer. Next one, place of the treasure. So that is letters. See the shape, that is C. Next, this shape, that is H. Then this shape A. And then this shape without the dot, that is I. And then last one with the dot, that is R. Chair is the answer. Next one, the name of the treasure. Listen here. G. G I F and then T. Here this shape V. Next with the dot, this shape, that is O. And then this one U. Next one, this one C. H E R. So gift voucher is the answer. Sixth one, Praveen recently got the registration number for his new two-wheeler. Here the number is given in the form of mirror image. Encode the image and find the correct registration number of Praveen's two-wheeler. Listen. In case a mirror in front of the number means what we get, this one is not, and then this is also not like that. But C answer, see the C answer, that is 9 8 5 2 H 2 I N T, sorry 1 N T. So this one is the correct answer.